Hello everyone, this is Miss Chelsea, and today we will be looking at the question, what is an exponent? Our objective for today is that students will be able to write exponents in exponential, expanded, and standard form. First things first, let's discuss the parts of an exponent. The base is a number that acts as the repeating factor. The exponent or power of a number indicates how many times to use the base as a factor. So in the example, 4 to the third power, 4 is the base and 3 is the exponent. That means we are going to multiply 3 4's together. This is an example of condensed exponential form, where you have a base raised to an exponent. In condensed form, the exponent is written as a superscript or small raised number to the right of the base. Now, let's look at an example. X times X times X times X times X. First, we must identify the base, or the repeated factor. In this case, the base is X. Next, we must identify the exponent. Since there are 5 X's multiplied together, our exponent will be 5. Now we're going to write the expression in condensed form. So, X to the 5th. You may choose to ask yourself, what are some other ways that I can write an exponent? Well, we just saw an example of expanded form, which is used to write an exponent as repeated multiplication. There's also standard form, which is used to write an exponent as a single value. We typically only see standard form for numeric exponents. Now let's look at another example, 2 to the 5th power. First, let's write the expression in expanded form. We have a base of 2 and an exponent of 5, so we're going to write 5 2's and multiply them together. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Next, let's write the expression in standard form. So to do that, we will need to multiply this out. 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. 2 to the 5th power is 32. Let's look at example 3, negative 0.5 to the 2nd power. We're going to write the expression in standard form. Our base is negative 0.5 and our exponent is 2. So we have negative 0.5 times negative 0.5. This is the number in expanded form. To get the number in standard form, we need to multiply it out. Negative times negative is a positive, and 0.5 times 0.5 is 0.25. So negative 0.5 squared is the same thing as positive 0.25.